Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker JBL Horizon 3 from your iPhone. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your speaker. And right here, at the third line, we have a button what's called Disconnect, and you need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to Unpair, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So now let me click on it, and as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection, but I have it at the device list, so I can easily reconnect it by just tap at this speaker. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!